Hello, I'm David Melding, and I'm the Chair of the National Assembly's Committee on Constitution and Legislative Affairs. We're about to hold an inquiry on the principle of passing powers to Welsh ministers via UK laws. The principle we're looking at is whether such delegation of powers should only come through the National Assembly, because that's a more direct way of scrutinising these important powers that ministers receive. If you have views on this important issue, we would be delighted to hear them. You can submit written evidence to us, and the details on how to do that will now follow.
Gynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.